In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate your domain with Shopify. Whether you're launching a brand new online store or transitioning your existing business to Shopify, connecting your custom domain is a crucial step. This task might seem a bit daunting at first, but I'm here to break it down into easy, manageable steps. By the end of this, you'll have your desired domain seamlessly integrated with your Shopify store. To get started, log into your Shopify admin panel. Once you're in the dashboard, direct your attention to the bottom left corner where you'll find the Settings tab. Give that a click, and from the options that appear, select Domains. This is where the magic happens. You'll see all the domain-related actions you can take, but for today, our focus is on acquiring a new domain. Now, click on the Buy New Domain button. This will lead you to a search bar where you can look up the perfect domain name for your Shopify store. It's an exciting part of the process because your domain is a significant component of your brand's online identity. Try a few variations related to your business name or your niche until you find one that resonates with your brand and is available. Remember, a short, memorable domain name is often most effective. Once you've found the ideal domain name, proceed with the purchase. Shopify's interface will guide you through the purchase process, and it's designed to be straightforward. You'll enter your payment details, and Shopify will handle the rest. One of the great advantages of purchasing your domain directly through Shopify is the auto-connection feature. After your purchase is complete, Shopify automatically connects your new domain to your store. This means you don't have to deal with complex DNS settings or worry about redirecting traffic. Shopify takes care of all that for you. It simplifies the integration process, making it virtually hassle-free. Once your domain is connected, you'll notice several management options become available right within Shopify. You'll have the ability to manage your DNS settings, set up subdomains, and even set up email forwarding if needed. It's all designed to be user-friendly, ensuring you can handle all your domain-related tasks without needing to leave the Shopify platform. Additionally, Shopify also simplifies renewals. You'll receive notifications when it's time to renew your domain, ensuring you never lose ownership due to an expired registration. It's a comprehensive suite of tools that enables you to focus less on technical management and more on growing your store. And there you have it. Your domain is now integrated with Shopify, setting the foundation for your online presence. Remember, your domain is crucial for branding, so take your time to choose one that aligns with your business goals. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on optimizing your Shopify store. Happy selling!